Your ULT speaker is built for bold, powerful sound, but now it's time to truly make it yours. With the Sony Sound Connect app and the ULT button, you are in full control of your sound wherever you are. Let's start with the ULT button on your speaker. If you have the ULT Field 1 or the ULT Field 3, press the ULT button once to activate ULT, which provides a noticeable bass boost, which creates a richer and more powerful sound. Now, you can press the ULT button again to turn it off, which will give you a more relaxed and balanced sound. If you have the ULT Field 5, the ULT Field 7, or the ULT Tower 9, first what you're going to do is press it once. That will activate ULT 1 for a deep bass and powerful punch, which is perfect for hip-hop, EDM, or movie soundtracks. You can press it again for ULT 2. And now this boosts the volume and the energy for outdoor listening and party playlists. Now when you press it a third time, that actually turns the ULT mode off, which will give you a more relaxed and balanced sound. You can also control ULT sound mode from the Sony Sound Connect app. Just follow these steps. Open the Sony Sound Connect app, tap Sound Effects, choose your ULT sound mode, ULT 1, ULT 2 depending on your model, or off. To create your own sound, here's how to access the custom EQ in the Sony Sound Connect app. Open the Sony Sound Connect app. Go to Device Settings. Under Sound Effects, select Custom. Then tap Custom EQ. Use the multi-band EQ to adjust the sound to your taste, boosting the bass, refining vocals, or maybe softening the treble. This gives you full control to shape the sound exactly the way that you like it. To get the best sound wherever you place your speaker, definitely use Sound Field Optimization. This feature analyzes your environment and adjusts the audio to fit your space. Whether it's on a desk, a shelf, or in a corner, doesn't really make a difference. Here's how you turn it on. Go to the Sony Sound Connect app. Scroll and select Device Settings. Scroll down to Sound Field Optimization. Toggle it on or off depending on your space. It's quick, simple, and helps your speaker sound its best no matter where you use it. Maybe you're going to the beach or the park. Well, use ULT 2 with the bass boost setting for more presence in open spaces if you have the ULT Field 5, 7, or ULT Tower 9. If you're hosting friends, try the ULT 1 with the custom EQ to highlight the beat and keep energy up. Working from home? Turn ULT mode off, enable Sound Field Optimization, and adjust the EQ for a clear, relaxed sound. Wherever you are, your speaker adapts to fit the moment. With Sony ULT speakers, your sound is just the beginning. Explore the Sony Sound Connect app to personalize every detail: bass, clarity, space, and energy.